This is a parliament.
At exactly 10 a.m., members of parliament from ruling and opposition parties were present in the House, ready for plenary. By 10:30 a.m., the Speaker of Parliament, Anita Among, arrived to preside over the sitting. On the order paper were several bills scheduled for reading, including Political Parties and Organisation Bill 2025 and the UPDF Amendment Bill 2025. However, before the session could proceed, the leader of Opposition Joel Ssenyonyi raised the procedural matter of dissatisfaction with a quick presentation of the UPDF Amendment Bill without adequate stakeholder consultations.
The reason I have insisted on this matter is because there were stakeholders who were saying we want to give our input. And you locked them out. That's the challenge. You can end up disregarding the input of those stakeholders, but listen to them.
According to the law, a 45-day consultation period is mandated for bills. Ssenyonyi cites the committee's disrespect of the law.
When I raised this issue before you, Right Honourable Speaker, you committed and said that I should not worry. The process is going to be given adequate time. After all, according to our rules, we've got 45 days within which to process these bills. The committee received our letter. They did not write back to us. So as we were waiting to show up on Monday to present our views, over the weekend they were busy processing, writing a report.
Speaker Anita Among asked the Prime Minister to address the leader of opposition is concerned.
When the work is done, I apply Rule 26. I put this work on the order paper. I do not get involved in the committee work. Some time back I told you I'm one of the best performing prime ministers. So if I can produce work in such a short time, I want the leader of opposition to appreciate.
In defense, the chairperson of Joint Committee on Legal and UPDF Affairs, Baka Mugabe, cited the committee's efficiency in handling the bill, regardless of what the law stipulates.
That simply means that within 45 days you should be able to present the work. If that work is presented within a week, you have not offended any rule. You should be thanked for being efficient.
Leader of Opposition Joel Ssenyonyi questioned the NRM Chief Whip's commentary on the bill after the meeting of the NRM caucus, citing it will be passed as is.
I had thought that as Government Chief Whip, you would be interested in input of different stakeholders into your bill as government. But when you bring a bill, and then you say we are going to pass it as is, regardless of any other input, regardless whether consultations have happened or not, that is problematic.
With this, Ssenyonyi informed the Speaker that there could not be members part in the reading of the bill. They walked out.
Honourable, on a good faith, table the private member.
Ssenyonyi briefed the media about opposition next course of the action.
We agreed we shall not be part of a sham process. And we are categorical about calling this a sham process because once a bill has not gone through the consultation that is envisaged under the law, it is sham. And we have taken a decision that we are going to court over these matters because we have adequate grounds.
Opposition members outside the parliamentary chambers showed grievances towards the parliament not respecting the law.
It's outrageous that the bill that has been introduced is against the court ruling, and we find it in contempt of court.
It's really not fair to see that again as Parliament we start legislation of a matter that is already concluded by judicial. So we are saying no.
Trying to do is against the law, so we are against it completely.
Suzanne Nabugudde, Rebecca Nantongo for UBC News.